Welcome back to another segment of Arizona Mortgage News. We're here with Mike Goblet, our Arizona expert in mortgage and all things that are important to you when it comes to your business and mortgages. So, Mike, today's topic was a write-in, and it sounds like we're talking about vets today. And the question was, what are the advantages of a VA mortgage?
Yeah, good morning, Matt. I thought this would be a great topic, timely for a lot of reasons. As we all know and are learning, the being a vet provides a lot of benefits that the government supports the vets on. Now, there's obviously been some downside on the medical side, but that's being rectified. But one of the real advantages that has been there for many, many decades has been the VA mortgage support, a home loan, the VA mortgage home loan program.
All right. Well, our veterans have a benefit here. Do they have better pricing and options than the rest of us civilians?
You know what? There are many advantages. I think it's one of the best programs out there, the VA loan. And let me say, first of all, if anybody listening is eligible for a VA mortgage, thank you for your service. It's been
Absolutely.
greatly appreciated, and now it's time to reap the benefits of that service as well. So,
All righty. So, what are the benefits? I'm excited to hear.
well, you asked right away, is it better pricing? The answer is because it's a government-backed loan. Yeah, actually the pricing on a comparable conventional loan is significantly better on a VA. So that's a good place to start. But it doesn't end there, okay? You still have a wide variety of terms, meaning a 30-year fixed, a 15-year fixed, even ARMs and even jumbos can be done under VA. So it's not just limited to a certain dollar factor.
Oh, wow.
Also, whether it's a purchase or it's a refi, you can do a VA loan. Now, one of the real advantages of a purchase is that it's no money down. You can do as little as no money down, or obviously you can choose to put money down. And that's on either a new build, a resale, even a manufactured home. I can tell you I did my first home in 1972 on a no money down VA loan, and it really helped me get my family established, more importantly into the housing market at a time when just coming back from my tour of duty that I didn't have a lot of savings. So it provided a huge benefit having no money down.
And the no money down, does that also apply for jumbo loans?
The answer is yes. Now, there's a little different situation, meaning when it gets into a jumbo, it has to be recalculated differently, and there is money involved, but it's not specifically designed as money down. It has to do with certain ratios.
Ah, very cool.
So it's a great place, and I can tell you, as I said, my first home was at, and it allowed me to not only get my family established into a home, but to leverage that asset into purchases throughout the rest of my life. And it was a wonderful start, and it's still available even after the loan is paid off. I can do a VA loan today if I chose to.
Very cool. So, are there
So
other benefits to this wonderful VA loan?
there are. If you want to do a refi, you can do a rate and term. You can do a cash out to 100% loan to value. And if you're already in a VA loan and want to refi, you can do what's called an interest rate reduction loan, and that's from one VA loan back into another without additional proof of income. Basically, it's saying if you've been making the payments, you should be able to keep making the payments if it's actually a lower rate. So it's really a really good program, whether it's a purchase or refi.
Very cool.
I'm going to go back and think the fourth and most important part is no MI. Regardless of the loan to value, on the purchase or on a refi, there's no private mortgage insurance, even if there's less than 20% equity.
Wow. All right. Well, this is a great government program here for our veterans. And
It,
active, retired, part-time, reserve, all eligible.
well, and that's really the real key. Obviously, you have to be or been in the service and be able to prove your eligibility with what's called the DD 214. With anybody in the industry will, or within the military will know what that is. It's only on primary residence, okay? It's not there to help people get rich off an investment property or even a second home. It can really only be used on primary residence. And there's one other downside that needs to be factored in, and that is that there's a guarantee fee on the part of the government. Now, the good news is that guarantee fee, and it's similar to one that's there on an FHA loan, but it can be rolled into the loan amount, or it can even be paid for with the yield spread or YSP that I've talked about from the lender rebate if the right rate is chosen. So there are even some real options there.
Very nice. Well, those are some good opportunities. It sounds like if there's some veterans out there, active, reserve, retired, they need to get in touch with you, Mike.
Yeah, if you think you're eligible or know somebody that's eligible, give me a call and let's talk about it and see what the program, how it can work for you, whether you want cash out, rehab for home improvements, debt consolidation, or buy a new home. There are great opportunities behind the VA loan.
Very nice. And Mike, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
Well, the number here at the office is 480-503-3533, or you can call me on my cell phone at 480-220-2329, or email me at mike.goblet at our company initials umfginc.com. Mike.goblet at umfginc.com.
Excellent. Well, this is a cool segment. I hope all the veterans out there will take advantage of this opportunity if they haven't already. We'll look forward to our next segment with you, Mike.
Well, thanks, Matt. I look forward to it as well. You have a good rest of the day.
You too. Thanks, Mike.
Bye now.